Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Where are you from?
I'm originally from
What?
Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Hello, Bangladesh.
Hello, Indonesia. Apa kabar?
Yes. Baik.
Baik. Okay, are you in the school now?
Yes.
So Eid Adha is not far away. So you don't get holiday yet?
I can English little bit.
Okay. So have you bought anything? Hi. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Have you bought anything for Eid? Like buying clothes or something else?
Idul Adha. Oh, no. No.
Why not? Why not?
Because I get meat at masjid. At
Oh,
mosque.
oh, you get meat from the mosque, masjid.
Yeah.
So you have no money? You have no money?
No. Money
Oh,
from our parents. Yes.
no money from your parents. That is so sad, but it seems to me you're so rich children.
Oh, Amin.
I mean, what do you do especially on the Eid day for fun?
Eat for fun.
Yeah.
I meet to my cousin.
Oh, you met your cousin.
Yes. And I get THR. You know THR?
Oh, higher. Yes, higher. I know.
Money.
But if I visit your country, I will give you money.
Yes. I want.
You want? You're so crazy. I love Indonesian culture.
I love Bangladesh too.
Okay,
Thank
but what is your favorite food on festival day?
Festival. Rendang. You know rendang?
Ranang?
Yes.
What ingredients are used to make this food? How to make this?
Coconut.
Coconut? Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Meat. You know. Ini like this. Milk coconut santan.
Yes, I know. Coconut.
Like this. Like. Mana? Like this.
Oh, I see. Very delicious.
Yeah.
Delicious. So,
Yeah.
will you make this food in this Eid day?
Yes.
Wanna
My mom.
Okay. Oh, by moms. You can't cook?
No.
Invite me at your house. I will try this food in your house.
Oh, come to Indonesia. Yeah.
Okay, I will come. What is your name?
My name is Alicia.
Okay. Do you have TikTok?
Yes, we have.
This is my TikTok, Gazi.
Can I follow your TikTok too?
Listen, this is my TikTok.
Yes. Gazi Nahian.
Yeah.
Oh, this. Oh, new YouTube. New TikTok. Oh, wow.
Wow. Yes.
Can I follow your TikTok too?
Okay. Listen, I will use this video on my TikTok. Everybody loves you. Everybody encourages you, and everybody make fun through comment. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ini this is my TikTok.
Oh, okay. You drop a message to my TikTok, I will follow you. You drop a message,
Drop a message. Okay.
I will follow you.
We have Instagram.
Okay. Hold on.
Her phone is me. Her phone is my phone.
Oh, okay, wait.
My
I don't find your account, but you remember this name. Search my name
Okay.
after dropping and just request me. I will accept you. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, Mister. Yeah. We so happy meet you. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you also. Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak.
Well, nice to meet you too.
Bye bye.